Who see him, them viewers, not even MacGyver no so skill. Mama go wake up now and I look for phone and I wonder who gone with her phone. My people, welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video, yeah? Subscribe to my channel if you not subscribe yet. So here we go on to them, my people. Teacher found dead with her throat bust at St.Mary+. Plus, them a say a dog bite off Timothy head, you know. So before me jump into the reasoning, and make you know what I go on, pre this.
Don't have a prison. This is a dump. This is a dump. Nowhere on the premise office on the desk, there is no plan for rehabilitation, just like what they do have in the crime plan. Now, the youth that is in a prison is mostly poor youth. Some of them innocent. I am not innocent, I commit my crime. So I am doing my time. But under these conditions we are living, we have rights. Under the declaration...
When you see them viewers, him not tired for make video now. The amount of video that brother they are in a prison. I talk how prisoner deteriorate and how much youth they are prison were innocent. My people, at least him talk with sense. I say him not innocent. Say the crime where him do that for real. That's why him pay the consequences for him actions right now. My people, the government of Jamaica don't care about none of them money where they right here so. And the government of Jamaica don't care about none of the prison facility them. All them care about have to pack them up with jailer. And who dead, dead. And them just carry some of them go throw them in a dead house. That is it. So it no matter if the prisoner deteriorate and it soon drop down pan uno in there, the government are going to say who cares? Nobody cares. If you did a keep yourself out of trouble and I do the right thing in a life, you know that they are in the yard and wouldn't have to worry about prisoner mash down. So see him them people, Van, the amount of prison video him in say him a fight for prisoners' rights. How him, the mayor for sell black. Some people walk with me and now. You see that woman here who see on the screen? 59-year-old Angella Hamilton. She was found dead in her house with her throat bust at St.Mary. And Miss Hamilton is a teacher at the Pear Tree Grove Primary School. And everybody I wonder right now, I could have who do this to Miss Hamilton. You see, anybody will do this to the lady, a somebody where the lady know, you know, and invite in our house, you know. My viewers, we need to bring back neighborhood watch, you know. You know, remember that thing there, where the neighbor them used to look out for them one another, bleach at night time, and watch the community and make sure some little thieving boy or the little gun bag them now mash up them community. Cause look upon an incident like this. Eh? You go tell me say, Angella Hamilton neighbor them no hear nothing. Them never hear when the woman a scream out and a beg for her life. Or them could have probably hear the noise, you know. But you see nowadays, nobody no care about nobody. Cause the neighbor them could all a worry and a say, me if you go call police and gunman come back come murder me, say me inform pan them. So see it my viewers, this a happen boy ya. Whole heap of people know who take the people them life boy ya. But them have the little slang they will say see and blind, ear and deaf. And that them a work with boy ya. Until the thing reach a feed them doorstep, then them a go run out and call name. So see her my people, 59-year-old Angella Hamilton, she not deserve this. But I saw it go boy ya. So no walk with me and all my people. Earlier I do a review about Timothy Burton, the elder ya wanna see on the screen. Where them a say, it look like it's a dog bite off Timothy head, you know. My people, where I hear say Timothy live alone, you know. Timothy have Alzheimer's, you know. And the police them a say it look like Timothy dead from misadventure. See them viewers, him wander off, go in a bush, have Alzheimer's, so him they even remember where him live, till him dead out in a bush, dog start to name him, take off him head and all type of thing. So see me my viewers, me telling you know, where is them elder your family? Eh? Why wanna make them elder ya live alone? I wanna not check up on them on a daily basis. We not talk about once a month and talk about oh we uncle good. Him live up the road and everything alright. No. from a family member them pass over 60 yard, 70 yard, and when you hear say them live alone, when you need to check up on them regular, every day. We not talk about once a month. Cause you see if Timothy family them did a check up on him, probably this thing you would reach him. But through him just live alone and I do him own a thing, dead up there and them they even know. Till see it ya, where you say a dog take off the elder head. So my condolences to the elder family them. Things set away boy ya. Some people walk with me and now. Pre that video ya. You see it? Not even MacGyver no so skill like that dog ya. You wake up now and see your phone gone. You run back camera now. What you think? You go see back that dog ya? You could not even see back that dog ya until 3 months, 4 months, and then what? You ask him for phone? People, open up on the eye when on the day road. You see me? No one to do when on the day road. Everybody are caught up in this social media thing ya. And this I go reach no for uno. No for uno go get 9 ball in on the head count have no head down in on the phone on the Dave na pre-wire go on till uno hear boop. And by the time uno hold up on the head, uno done dead and gone already. Or the killer them done dig off and gone already. So see him them viewers, not even MacGyver no so skill though. Some people stay safe out there. Protect on the 3 points when you out there. And hope up on the eye when you there road. And don't play like that mama ya. You see me? Until next time, don't know the code. Life over that road.